Here's how to check which devices your WhatsApp account is logged into. This works both on iPhone and Android. It's a good idea to check this regularly for your privacy. So you might have linked your WhatsApp to other devices like computers or iPads. This guide shows you how to review these linked devices, log them out, and prevent further access. It's also useful if you're worried someone else might have access to your account. So when a device is linked, it can view and send your WhatsApp messages, photos, and videos. So knowing how to manage linked devices is really important. The process is slightly different on Android and iPhone. So on Android, on the chats page, you need to tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Then go ahead and select linked devices. This list shows all devices currently logged into your WhatsApp account, and you can see details about each device, like it's a platform and last activity. So if you don't recognize the device or you want to remove it, tap on the device that you want to remove, and then tap on log out, which is highlighted in red color to confirm. The device will be removed from the list and will no longer have access to your WhatsApp account. Repeat this process for any other devices you want to remove. It's that simple. So you can check your linked devices regularly to keep your WhatsApp account secure. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.